What's up guys, it is Mitchell, and in today's video I want to go ahead and just give you a brief demonstration of the gaming performance of the new Xiaomi Mi Pad 4. I have a handful of different games that I'm going to go ahead and give you guys demonstrations on for this guide, just to give you an idea of the settings and how I'm playing it. I'm installing the games, I'm starting to play them, I'm not tweaking anything in the graphics setting, I'm not manipulating any of the different parameters that could possibly affect the graphical performance. I've had the Mi Pad 2 now for about 3 weeks, and I haven't had any overheating issues. I haven't noticed any serious throttling issues, and I've been really happy with it so far. But still, a lot of people want to see how the device performs with graphic-intensive games. Before we jump into the video, if you are new to my channel, I do videos here about camera gear, tech, tablets, and different items that I use in my creative process for video and photo. I currently live overseas in Southeast Asia, and I have quite a bit of mobility, so I'm doing a bit of traveling. If travel is something you're interested to, I'll have a link to my other YouTube channel in the description down below. So before we start gaming here, I just want to go ahead and bring attention to the gaming mode that Xiaomi offers on the Mi Pad. And essentially, this gaming mode is it improves the performance for games while restricting sync and background network connections for other apps. So if you guys are familiar with the Game Shark phone that Xiaomi made, they had a similar type of performance boost on that. So as you can see, we're going to go ahead, clear all the other background tasks, and as we can see, PUBG has successfully been loaded. Okay, now as you can see, we're playing PUBG. Very smooth. The full map is being generated almost in fully real time. I want to briefly interrupt this video to talk about data management and backup. I recently lost 4 terabytes of photo and video from my entire time living in Southeast Asia up to this point, and it's unlikely I'll get any of that data back. That prompted me to start using and partner with Backblaze. If you're unfamiliar with Backblaze, it's a cloud-based backup service. It backs up all of your physical drives and your computer for $50 a year, and I've recently started using and partnered with them. I have a link to some more information about their service in the description down below, but if you do photo or video, I would highly suggest investing in that service, as it's going to cost you a lot less than recovering a broken hard drive. Next game we're going to play is Real Racing 3. You can see how bad I am. Next game we're going to try playing is NBA Live. Up Asphalt. If you guys can't tell, I don't really play these games a lot. I'm much more of a PUBG guy personally. To be completely fair, I am a little bit disappointed in the sound performance of the tablet. It sounds like a loud cell phone, and even then I'm sure there's a few cell phones that have better, stereo firing front speakers than this tablet does. And finally, we're going to load up Drift Max Pro. This is a more fun game. Lastly, I would just like to touch on maybe the experience of using this tablet as a self-entertainment, I guess, gaming and media device. And overall, it's something that for someone who is not a mobile gaming enthusiast and whose mobile gaming is really just kind of an occasional thing, this tablet will probably be more than satisfactory. The 1080p screen combined with the Snapdragon processor really leads to an experience that, for the price point, in my opinion at least, hits way above its class. And sure, there are going to be devices that do a better job at gaming, and sure, you might find the device that's got a higher resolution screen. But overall, if you're getting this tablet for under $300, I think you already know how I feel about it. Okay, as you guys can see, the Mi Pad 4 performs pretty well for most graphic-intensive games. The fact it doesn't have a top-tier processor is evident in the load times for the games, but as you can see, the graphical performance is very smooth and all of the games are quite playable. Okay, till next time, it's been Mitchell, coming to you from Hanoi. Peace.